Peter Frumenti with another Bay Area real estate update. It's just the end of a wonderful 4th of July weekend. I hope you enjoyed time with your friends and family as I did. And we're just getting ready to get started on another busy week. And I want to share with you a little bit about what's happening in the Bay Area real estate market. You'll notice this graph here, which is about to come up on the screen. You'll notice that it shows the active versus pending listings. And once again, I talk about this every week. This will give you an idea of what's happening in the real estate market. Currently, you can see on the graph that we're right about 900 homes actively on the market and just around 240 homes pending. What this is our inventory. This gives us an idea of the supply versus demand in the real estate market here in the Tri-City, and this is Fremont, Newark, and Union City. It'll just give you a little bit of an idea of what's happening. Basically, we've seen a leveling off. You'll notice that the active pendings are not growing like they were earlier in the year. The number of pending listings has started to level off. Doesn't look like we're going to see a decrease. What I really see that this means, folks, is that the market is changing. Buyers are starting to see the amount prices have come down. And if you haven't looked at your local market right now, check out the website. You can send me a request through the web, or you can send me an email or just give me a phone call, and I'd be happy to share with you some of the things that are happening in your specific neighborhood. But prices in most neighborhoods have come down considerably, and that's allowing buyers who couldn't get into homes previously in those neighborhoods to now be able to afford them. So those buyers are starting to jump out into the market. The other thing, though, that I want to share with you, and this is actually something that I got, this is my weekly update that I get from the California Association of Realtors, and I thought this was really interesting, so I'm just going to read a little quick snippet here. And this is actually data that was given by Zillow, and basically higher interest rates are balancing out lower home prices and making home ownership less affordable in many U.S. real estate markets. According to a study of about 25,000 mortgages offers to potential homebuyers conducted by Zillow.com, monthly payments are 6 to 10% higher than they were 2 months ago in the 41 housing markets that Zillow serves. So what does that really mean for the everyday buyer and seller? Well, on average, monthly payments have climbed $131, which is an additional $1,572 a month. So for many of you sitting out there waiting for the bottom so that you can buy at the best time, if rates continue to go up, it won't matter how much prices come down. You're not going to be able to afford them, and you may not be able to qualify for the same loan programs that you can qualify for right now as the credit crunch continues to tighten things. That $131 or $1,500 approximately dollars annually is nationwide in all of the Zillow markets. But I want to share with you that in high-cost markets like California, in fact, in one area of California, for example, the annualized cost of a 30-year mortgage rate to loan buyers with credit scores of at least 680 is $2,640 more than it was just 60 days ago. So that's a lot more money that you're going to have to spend, and if you multiply that over several years, the extra few $1,000s that you might pay on a home today, you're going to get back in long-term interest rate. Interest rates are still fairly close to 40-year lows. It's a great time to buy, and I'd love to share with you some more information. So if you're interested in finding out what's happening and how you would qualify and what your options are, again, send me a request through the site. You can register, and you can leave comments, or you can send me an email. You can also call me directly at 510-770-1475. Well, it's the beginning of another great week. I hope, again, that you had a great 4th of July. I hope you're enjoying the summer weather. I'm Peter Frumenti with your Bay Area Real Estate Market Update.